So guys, got it here, hunting camouflage ghillie suit or whatever you want to call it. So the deer will not see you, but the other hunters will. So how cool is that? That's so funny. So it looks like a bunch of leaves, and I guess the deer, what they say on the list, and only see black and white anyways. So that way you can still camouflage yourself, that you're going to look like a bunch of trees. As you can see, it doesn't matter if it's green or red, right? But the red part is so that way the other hunters will see you, and if they see a deer like next to you, by mistake they don't get you, right? So there's also Leo pencil here. That's pretty awesome and high quality. It's like a netted, and looks like it's big enough to go over my fence. How cool is that? Now they definitely deer will not see me if I'm like sitting in the bush, but other hunters will. This is so weird. It's only one for sale out there. That's it. No other suits like that, that super bright orange like that I've seen. The other ones are just green, so the hunters might not see you. I guess this is just like a pouch. That's it. Have you ever seen a ghillie suit like that? Extremely visible in the woods. So imagine your vision was only black and white. You would see a bunch of leaves, that's it, maybe my face and hands. But if you see colors, you would see super bright suit. So like a little bush if you see in black and white. That looks funky. I like it. So yeah, high quality, easy to take it off and on. So thumbs up for me. Oh wow, look, there is actual zipper too. So that's even easier. You don't have to put it over your head. It's just like a regular jacket. Wow, thumbs up for me. And pants is easy to put on and off over the shoes. I got it here another folding machete, but this one is way better quality that I showed you before. So there's a belt holder, and this is machete with shift type 1, so military machete. And what's so special about this one? It's very mint condition for its age. And guess what? This one does not have a missing sharpening stone. Before I showed you one, it did not have a sharpening stone, and this actual sheath was all dirty, and this thing was broken. So this is almost $400 machete. So check this out. There's a button right here, still survived. But what you do is unfold it this way and fold this together, and you see there's a clipped in. You just pretty much pull it back and release this little thing. One more time. You see how it locks it in? So this is pretty much what it's for. And now it's not gonna come off unless you press it and take it off. The other one didn't even have that. This thing was missing. So you have a really nice machete over here. Wow. I think this is still factory sharp, never been used, as you can see. Probably just got a little bit of rust and refurbished, polished up quite a few times from all that storage rust and things like that. So beautiful machete, as you can see, it's a thickest point over here, super thick. So again, to fold it, you press on this button, open this, and this side here you gotta be very careful. You kinda gotta start it and fold it, and you see there's a very heavy pull. You gotta watch out for your hand. So again, just maybe even start it and very carefully close it. So this machete is a little bit dangerous, folding them and unfolding them, so be careful. But yeah, this is amazing. Check this out. One more time. Unfolding it super easy. Use your machete, go to the forest, build a shelter. Whenever you want to fold it back up, just press this, unfold it, and I wonder if there's an easier way to do it. Probably this way is the easiest way to do it. Watch out for your fingers, it pulls at the end quite heavily. There you go. And it comes with the sharpening stove and very high quality sheath. I think it goes this way. So yeah, very nice military collector item, folding machete. Definitely one of a kind in an amazing condition. There's a little bit of a rip, that's it. Got it here, another Mako cam stove with a filled canister like that, butane fills. Pretty cheap stuff over here, probably the cheapest fill you can get out there. So let's open it. Okay, as you can see, this is very compact. Obviously you will need to bring a couple of fill cans with you whenever you go camping. But this is just the like stand for the fill. Check this out. Does this come off? Unfolds? Oh yeah, like this for the pot. Beautiful. Then there's also somewhere legs, 2 legs right here, and there is a locking mechanism. So all we have to do is just twist it. So grab your fill can. Usually what you could do is just push it in and then twist it, and it locks it in. To take it off, just twist it and comes off. So awesome. Boom. Okay, let's make sure it's on off position. Nice. Yeah, it's been on off position. Now we turn it on. Ooh, nice. Don't have to be on max, but this is pretty much the smallest stove for this kind of fill cans. I really like it. Look how powerful it gets. Let's turn off all the lights and enjoy this awesome mini stove right here. You adjust it right here. Quite nice and powerful. Probably don't even need to adjust it that powerful. Probably will be cooking on that. Why would I need to waste gasoline and overburn my pot? Or maybe that's good. Anything more than that, I think it's just extra. But I wouldn't use it probably like this much. That's it. Love it. That's an amazing stove. Okay, now we're gonna turn it off. And let's see for the consistency how easy it is to turn it on. Look at that. It adjusts really well. Not super sensitive. And again, turn it off. Wow. Look how well it adjusts. High quality for sure. I really like it a lot. And these propane fill cans, you can pretty much find them anywhere. I ended up ordering a whole box of them. I have a lot of them because I'm making videos of them, and I have a whole bunch of different type of stoves that run on that stuff. Okay, how do we close it to where it's all tight? Beautiful. Just be careful, it will be hot after a while. Then it goes back into this holder. Love it. I love whenever they invent unique stoves like that. Again, doesn't take up a lot of space. Obviously you'll need cans for them. This right here, Toothpick Kit. I bought it on Amazon. I don't know why it came in 2 of them. Maybe there's 2 different sets or 2 of the exactly same sets. So this is cleaning toothpicks things. So there you go, check this out, the metal hook toothpick over here. So almost look like one of those, whenever you do your teeth cleaning, they usually use this kind of tools. So I guess you can bring it for camping with you, or for like survival station. If you end up having a dentist, they could be using that. Looks like this right here, a scraper for the teeth. And there's a whole bunch of different, like really sharp pieces. Pretty sure this is for like cleaning teeth and stuff. That's from what I understand whenever I was buying it. So there's another, just a toothpick right here, but it is really sharp. I know I might stick with the wooden ones. Just wanted to show you the weird stuff you can buy online. Let's see if exactly the same thing right here. Yeah, this is the same thing. I guess you kind of like buy one, get one free. So there you go, super unique toothpick or like tooth cleaning kit over here. Got it here, Gerber pole knife by Gerber Legendary Blades. So this thing is pretty vintage. It's around $300 now, $250. So how does this fold and unfold? Well, there is a button right here, and as you can see on the blade it says pull. It's not just Gerber makes them, a whole bunch of knives makes them. So just grab it like that. I thought you could flip it out. Some of them you could. This is pretty small, quite nice, unique knife. The blade is nice and perfect collectible conditions. That's nice. Check this out. So there's a button, you press it and you fold it, and unfold it, you just press it and unfold it, so that way you don't ever have to touch the blade. So that's pretty cool. Sometimes you could just grab it and press the button and unfold it, but not with this one. I guess yeah, it works. You kind of just have to swing it really hard. So anyways, just a very unique folding mechanism with the button right here. Press it and just spin it out. Press it and spin it to close it. Kinda could close it and open it with one hand, but not exactly this one. There's different brands who makes this kind of knives. Even Benchmade did pull knife, but that one is a lot harder to find. Gerber's a little bit cheaper. So yeah, pretty awesome. Let me know in comments below what do you think.